Let's understand quickly the installment correction or the loan correction in case wrong entries are done. So I have accessed this as a meter loan. I'm just accessing the loan. Now, if you consider that this entry is done, okay, what I do is I receive this entire amount. Okay, I receive this entire amount. This loan is closed. Now, let's assume that by mistake I have received this amount. So I want to delete this entry now. So I am deleting it. Okay. Now let's search the loan again. Okay. Now in this loan, in transaction entry is deleted. So ideally, the installment start date should be 1st July. So here I go, and what I see, there are a couple of things done here. The due date should be 1st, principal should be 50, that is correct, and interest should be 7,000. So we should not delete this entry, because if we delete this entry from here, then there is no way we can make any changes to the loan installment. The only option left is delete the loan and recreate new. Okay. Now, so if there is one installment, do not delete that, because if you delete that installment, there is no option to recreate the installment. So let's edit this, make it 0, update. Now search loan again and installment, just edit and update this due date. Update this to 1st. Why 1st? Because the loan was created, the first installment was supposed to be from 1st, that's why. Okay, now if you consider the loan from 1st, now this should not be 57, so let me see again. This due date has to be changed to 04, and then this one. Now for 1st only 500, not this way. Okay, so you can make the correction in this, but do not delete the last installment, as well as do not remove the principal part. The principal part should be the principal that you see here, or ultimately what you see in the multiple payment, like whatever amount you paid to the borrower. So that installment should not be deleted. What you should be deleting is only interest related, and also make sure that interest is 0 where you have the principal component. Okay, thank you.